you know you can create animation using Canva? Let me teach you the step to go about that. Step to go about that: search presentation on Canva. So when you search presentation on Canva, you can use their own presentation. They have a lot of template, but you can also use your own. Get the background. If you want your picture to be there as the presenter for the front page, you can easily search the word gradient. I like gradient because it actually have a lot of multiple colors. So I'm going to be using multiple colors because I'm going to be teaching art. So after my gradient, I make sure as much as possible my colors are as short and interactive as much as possible. Then I look for symbols of my subject matter, which is art. And after that, I'm going to look for a lot of them under element as much as possible. There's nothing you need you can actually find under element. So I search for all the pictures of art, both the likes of brush, paint, pigments, and more. Then after this, I will go to my text. Under my text, I will look for my subject matter, which is going to be drawing. Then under drawing, I'm going to write that drawing. Then I like to add shadow to my text. So when I add shadow to my text, I'm going to make my text as solid as possible. Then after that, I will add my major topic, which is the drawing of the human body. Then after this, I am now going to look for other symbols I can add to make sure that it look appealing to my viewers as much as possible. So the drawing of hand, all the pictures you actually need, everything, they are all available on Canva. Then as much as possible, I like to add shadow to my design at the end of the day. So I'm going to add my shadow. Those shadows are very important, so look for a lot of effect of shadow, or you can even search the word effect, shadow, or transparency. Some of those terms can be used to get a lot of transparent object that can be used to make it look appealing to your viewers. Then after this, the last thing we are going to do is to now use it as present to add effects or animate. So I'm going to animate them one after the other. So I'll click on the drawing, animate. I'll click on the object, animate. I'll click on the circle, animate. So everything in this picture, we are going to add animation. If you don't add animation to this, they are not going to come out in form of animation. So very important, you have to animate them one after the other. So when you are done with this, you can save it out as video, or you can also present it live here. So you present it live here. Maybe you have a PC, so when you click on present, you can present it live. So you'll be seeing all the animation one after the other. They are going to be